Alright, this is a simple demo of the globe in its color changing state. So you can see the ball is changing slowly right now. It's just going through a little bit of a looping pattern. Just to show you the electronics at work here. Some of them fading in and out. And those are connected to the master board over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now.
And green.
So your light's blue now. And when it turns orange, then what? Blue, what happens when the light turns orange? That's right, when the light turns orange, you can come into Mommy and Daddy's room. But right now it's blue, so you have to stay in your bed. Okay?
At morning, I want it to be blue. At nighttime, I want it to be pink. And at daytime, I want it to be purple. Not